हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू अनदर वीडियो फार्मा रिसर्चर। तो आज मैं डिस्कस करूंगा जीपैट 2011 ईयर का क्वेश्चन पेपर। तो इस पेपर में टोटल नंबर ऑफ क्वेश्चंस जो हैं वो 150 हैं। तो इस पेपर को भी दो पार्ट में डिस्कस करेंगे। फर्स्ट पार्ट में हम इनिशियल 75 क्वेश्चंस डिस्कस कर लेंगे एंड नेक्स्ट पार्ट में जो रिमेनिंग 75 क्वेश्चंस होंगे वो नेक्स्ट पार्ट में इसमें डिस्कस कर लेंगे। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन से। A glycoalkaloid is, and the correct answer is option Q and that is glycosidic in nature and can be hydrolyzed to an alkaloid. So option C is correct for this question. Next question is, which of the following statements are true for ginseng root? And the correct answer for this question is option Q and option S, that is it is obtained from Panax ginseng and Panax quinquefolium and it contains derivatives of protopenexadiol. So option D is correct for this question. The next question is, which of the following drugs is a triterpenoid containing root? And the correct answer is option C, Shatavari. Next question is, which of the following alkaloids is derived from tyrosine? And the correct answer is option D, ephedrine. Next question is, the following options carry the name of the plant, part used and its family. Find a wrong combination. So wrong combination in this is option D, that is Strophanthus gratus, seed and Scrofulariaceae. All other options are correct. So correct answer for this question is option number D. Next question is, anomocytic stomata trichomes with collapsed cell and absence of calcium oxalate crystals are some of the microscopic features of which plant? And the correct answer is option A, digitalis. Next question is, each of the following option list the name of the drug, its class, pharmacological action and plant source. Choose an option showing a wrong combination. So wrong combination in this is option C, myrrh, gum resin, antiseptic and commiphora vitae. So option C is correct for this question. Next question is, quinoline alkaloids are biosynthesized by which one of the following pathway? And the correct answer is option B, shikimic acid, tryptophan. Next question is, which of the following ergot alkaloids is water soluble and shows blue fluorescence? And the correct answer is option D, that is ergometrin. Next question is, Helin is an active constituent of which one of the following plants? And the correct answer is option C, Emi visnaga. The next question is, Gallwitter's skin test is used to detect the presence of which one of the following classes of compounds? And the correct answer is option A, that is tannins. Next question is, which one of the following compounds is useful for the stimulation of cell division and the release of lateral word dormancy? And the correct answer is option A, Giatin. Next question is, phenylethyl isoquinoline is the precursor of which of the following alkaloids? And the correct answer is option A, colchicine. Next question is, a powdered drug has the following microscopic characters: anther cells, parenchyma, pollen grains, phloem fibers, volatile oil cells, and stone cells. The powder is obtained from which of the following? And the correct answer is option B, clove powder with stalk. Next question is, arrange the following fatty acids in decreasing order of their unsaturation, highest to lowest. And these fatty acids include P is stearic, Q is oleic acid, R is linolenic acid, and S is linoleic acid. So correct answer for this is option C, that is linoleic acid is highest, then linoleic acid, then oleic acid, and then stearic acid. Next question is determine the correctness or otherwise of the following assertion A and the reason R. So assertion A is tannins are polyphenolic substances occurring in plant cell sap. Hydrolyzable and condensed tannins are differentiated by matchstick test. And the reason R is the condensed tannins are resistant to acid hydrolysis, therefore stain the lignin present in matchstick. So correct answer for this is option B, that is both A and R are true, but R is not the correct reason for A. The next question is determine the correctness or otherwise of the following assertion and the reason. So assertion A is castor oil is soluble in alcohol and is used as purgative, and the reason R is the oil contains ricinoleic acid having a hydroxyl group at C, which is solubility in alcohol and its purgative action. So the correct answer for this is option number C, that is both A and R are true, and R is the correct reason for A. The next question is in acetate mevalonate pathway, geranyl pyrophosphate leads to formation of monoterpenes, the major constituents of volatile oil. So here P is geranyl pyrophosphate contains 2 isoprene units. Monoterpenes have 15 carbon atoms. R is the 2 isoprene units condensed in head to tail fashion to give monoterpenes, and S is isoprene unit has molecular formula of C5H8. Now which one of the given statements is correct? So correct answer is option D, that is P is true, Q is false, R is true, and S is true. The next question is two genetic types of cannabis, that is drug type and hemp types, are cultivated. So option P is drug type cannabis is rich in -9 trans tetrahydrocannabinol. Q is hemp type cannabis is rich in cannabidiol. R is drug type cannabis is rich in cannabidiol. S is hemp type cannabis contains elongated vast fibers. Which one of the given statements is correct? So the correct answer for this question is option B, that is P is true, Q is false, R is false, and S is true. The next question is each of the following options list a phytoconstituent, its phytochemical grouping, pharmacological activity, and corresponding semi-synthetic analog. Find a mismatching option. So the mismatching option is option B, that is senoside, anthraquinone, laxative, and sinigrin. Next question is inhibition or induction of which of the following cytochrome P450 enzyme system is most likely to be involved in important drug-drug interactions. So the correct answer for this is option A, CYP3A4. Next question is which of the following mechanism is not related to platelet aggregation inhibitory action? And the correct answer is option D, that is prostacyclin inhibition. The next question is choose the correct statement about the given four diseases. So P is cardiomyopathy, Q is rheumatoid arthritis, R is myasthenia gravis, S is ulcerative colitis. So the correct answer for this is option B, that is P and Q are autoimmune disorders. Next question is which of the following species is being inactivated by the enzyme dipeptidyl peptidase 4? So the correct answer is option C, that is incretins. Next question is patients taking isosorbide mononitrate or nitroglycerin should be advised not to take sildenafil. This drug-drug interaction causes which of the following actions? So the correct answer is option B, that is severe hypotension. Next question is, which of the following drugs does not induce mydriasis? So the correct answer is option C, phentolamine. Next question is, which of the following statements is true for angiotensin 2? And the correct answer is option number A, that is causes myocyte hypertrophy. Next question is, which of the following beta blockers has been shown clinically to reduce mortality in patients of symptomatic heart failure? And the correct answer is option B, carvedilol. Next question is, all of the given four drugs cause vasodilation. Choose the correct statement about them. And here P is bradykinin, Q is minoxidil, R is acetylcholine, S is hydralazine. So the correct answer is option C, that is R and S cause release of nitric oxide. Next question is, rhabdomyolysis is the side effect associated with which of the following classes of drugs? And the correct answer is option B, that is statins. Next question is, blood level monitoring of HbA1c is important in which of the given diseased states? And the correct answer is option number B, that is diabetes mellitus. Next question is, most of the emergency contraceptives have which one of the following active ingredients? And the correct answer is option D, levonorgestrel. Next question is, which of the following antibiotics produces concentration dependent bactericidal action and also possesses post antibiotic effect? And the correct answer is option C, amikacin. Next question is, antiretroviral raltegravir is unique because of which of the following actions? And the correct answer is option A, integrase inhibition. Next question is, what is chemotaxis? And the correct answer is option D, movement of leukocytes in inflammation. Next question is, which one of the following is not an example of G protein coupled receptor? And the correct answer is option number C, that is nicotinic cholinergic receptor. Next question is, which of the following used in the treatment of rheumatoid arthritis is not a biologic response modifier? And the correct answer is option B, leflunomide. Next question is, which of the following statements is false for artemisinin? And the correct answer for this question is option B. It is a drug of choice in prophylaxis of malaria. So this statement is false and all other statements are correct. Next question is, which of the following is a non-competitive inhibitor of the enzyme reverse transcriptase in HIV? And the correct answer is option B, nevirapine. Next question is, which of the following is the most effective monotherapy for raising HDL cholesterol? And the correct answer is option B, niacin. Next question is, which of the following parameters from plasma concentration time profile study gives indication of the rate of drug absorption? And the correct answer is option B, Tmax. Next question is, which of the following pairs has high binding affinity for 5-alpha reductase? And the correct answer is option D, that is finasteride and testosterone. Next question is, which of the following skeletal muscle relaxants acts directly on the contractile mechanism of the muscle fibers? And the correct answer is option C, dendroline. Dentroline. Next question is, which is the molecular target for the Vinca alkaloids as anti-cancer agents? And the correct answer is option D, tubulin. Next question is, choose the correct pair of the neurodegenerative disorders from those given below. And the correct answer is option A, Parkinson's disease and Alzheimer's disease. Next question is, a 64-year-old woman with a history of type 2 diabetes is diagnosed with heart failure. Which of the following would be a poor choice in controlling her diabetes? And the correct answer is option B, pioglitazone. Next question is, mifepristone and gemiprost combination is used for the medical termination of pregnancy. The action is caused due to which of the following mechanism? And the correct answer is option B, that is mifepristone is an antiprogestin while gemiprost is a prostaglandin A receptor agonist. Next question is, which one of the following is a beta lactamase inhibitor? And the correct answer is option D, that is clavulanic acid. Next question is, all of the following are indications for use of ACE inhibitors except for one. Identify that. And the correct answer is option D, pheochromocytoma. Next question is, neural occur by which one of the following anti-seizure drugs? And the correct answer is option C, valproic acid. Next question is, which water is used for hand washing in a change room of pharmaceutical manufacturing plant? And the correct answer is option B, that is purified water. Next question is, which one of the following drying methods is commonly used in pharma industry for drying of soft shell capsules? And the correct answer is option B, fluid bed drying. Next question is, which one of the following does not afford a macromolecular inclusion compound? And the correct answer is option D, cyclodextrins. Next question is, if C is the concentration of dissolved drugs and CS is the saturation concentration, in which case the sink conditions are said to be maintained? So correct answer for this question is option C. C is less than 10% of CS. The next question is, which condition does not apply as per Indian law while conducting single dose bioavailability study of an immediate release product? So correct answer is option D. Sampling should be continued till measured area under curve is at least equal to 80% of area under curve. Next question is, upon standing, sometimes gel system shrinks a weight and little liquid is pressed out. What is this phenomena known as? And the correct answer is option B, synergesis. Next question is, which of the following routes of administration of drugs is associated with phlebitis? And the correct answer is option B, intravenous. Next question is, study the following two statements and choose the correct answer. Statement 1, P is, antibodies are serum proteins providing immunity. Q is, IgG provides immunity to newborn babies while IgM is the first generated antibody. So the correct answer for this is option C, that is both P and Q are correct. Next question is, which microbe is used for validation of sterilization by a filtration process? And the correct answer is option B, Pseudomonas diminuta. Next question is, Non-linear pharmacokinetics can be expected due to enzyme induction, and Q is active secretion. Then choose the correct answer. So correct answer for this question is option A, that is both P and Q are true. Next question is, which wavelength of the UV light provides maximum germicidal action? And the correct answer is option 253.7 nanometer. Next question is, which of the following statement is incorrect? So the incorrect statement in this is option C, that is Rydell-Walker test uses organic matter in media, and all other statements are correct for this question. So which of the following forces contribute to stability of charge transfer complexes? And the correct answer is option B, resonance and London dispersion forces. Next question is, which of the following isotherms are produced when the heat of condensation of successive layers is more than the heat of adsorption of first layer? So the correct answer is option D, type 3 and type 4. Next question is, which of the following act as a non-ionic emulsifying agent? And the correct answer is option B, polyoxyethylene sorbitan monooleate. Next question is, the minimal effective flow rate of air in laminar flow hood should be not less than how many cubic feet per minute? And the correct answer is option C, 100. Next question is, which of the following schedules include shelf life of drugs? And the correct answer is option D, schedule P. Next question is, which of the following pumps is used in handling of corrosive liquids? And the correct answer is option D, peristaltic pump. Next question is, by addition of which of the following the shells of soft gelatin capsules may be made elastic? And the correct answer is option B, sorbitol. Next question is, convert 90% volume by volume alcohol to proof strength. Choose the correct answer. And the correct answer is option B, 57.77 degree over proof. Next question is, Department of Transport test DOT is performed for which of the following? And the correct answer is option B, aerosols. Next question is, what is the heat of vaporization of water at 100 degrees Celsius? And the correct answer is option D, that is 9720 calories per mole. Next question is, determine the correctness or otherwise of the following assertion A and the reason are. Assertion A is, for a pharmaceutical powder, true density is greater than the granule density. And the reason R is, mercury displacement used for determining granule density allows penetration of liquid into internal pores of the particles. And the correct answer is option A, that is A is true and what R is false. Next question is, determine the correctness or otherwise of the following. P is, rheopexy is the phenomena when a sol forms gel more readily when shared gently. Q is, in a rheopatic system, sol is the equilibrium form. And R is, rheopexy is a phenomena when a sol forms gel when the material is kept at rest. And the correct answer is option B, that is P is true but Q and R are. Next question is, define the plasmapheresis. Choose the correct answer. And the correct answer for this question is option A, That is, it is the process of collecting plasma and returning the red blood cells concentrate to the donor. So that's all for today's video. वीडियो अच्छी लगे हो तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब, वीडियो को लाइक कीजिए एंड थैंक यू वेरी मच.